Time for another fun episode of What's in the Box. Now this I'm very excited about. I just ordered this up. It was shipped over from England, and this is a mod I've wanted to do to my GTR since actually before I even bought the car. This is something I saw and I knew as soon as I got the GTR, I had to get one of these. So I'll go ahead and open up the box and show you what it is. All right, so first things first, trying to figure out the best way to open this thing. They taped it up pretty good, kind of cool. They got CT carbon tape with their name and web address on there and their Instagram account. So it looks like it is stapled. So first of all, they did a great job of packaging this. This is kind of odd. Looks like they just used a spray foam in here. I've never seen anyone do that before. Oh, okay. I don't need to tear that apart. Thank God I looked, otherwise that'd have been quite a mess I would have had to deal with. Alright, so got a black envelope here. Alright, they gave me some swag. They gave me a keychain and looks like one of those car fresheners and a CT carbon sticker. So cool. Let's see here, what else is in the envelope? I guess there's a CT club because I got one of their parts. I can join their super secret club. I'll probably actually do that. Return slip if it's damaged. Cool. And wow, warranty card. It actually comes with a 6-month warranty. That's really cool. All right. Oh, that's really cool. Okay. So this is the 3M body tape. I thought I was gonna have to use this myself. I bought some of this because I didn't know it came with it. So if you get it from CT, you don't have to worry about buying the 3M tape. They're gonna send you 3M tape, and it looks like, yep, cool. In the middle, all of the hardware. That's a lot of self-tapping screws. I wonder what those are all for, but I'll find out. All right. I'm gonna put those back in here so it's all together, so when I go install it, all I have to do is grab this. All right, so the first piece we got out is this one right here. I'm pretty sure this is the centerpiece. All right, so there is the centerpiece. Okay. Super cool. So when I talked to them online, they told me I was gonna have to reuse my high mount third brake light. It is included, so super happy about that. That makes my life so much simpler when I do the install. All right. So, wow, the carbon fiber on this looks really good. All right, now for the main event. The one you've been waiting for and what I've been waiting for. Obviously, it's a wing. And here it is, the Nismo style wing for the R35 GTR made by CT Carbon. This thing looks amazing. I love this thing. Just kind of taking a look at the carbon fiber work now. I mean, it is pretty much flawless. I'm not seeing any mess ups. I'm not seeing any issue with the clear coat. I'm not seeing any uneven patterns in the carbon fiber. Now, really cool about this version of the wing versus others I've seen, these end cards are actually part of the wing. They're not separate and just kind of bolted on. Oh man, I can't wait to get this out on the car. Perfect clearance too with the centerpiece. Don't forget to tune in next Friday as I post up the video of the full installation.